How to recover deleted screen recorded videos from Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you can check through your recycle bin on your device as you have deleted your videos. If you cannot retrieve or recover from that, you can just launch the Play Store application on your device and download this application called Video Recovery or Deleted Video Recovery. So you can select whichever application is most suitable for you. I've downloaded this application over here. So as you can see, I've already installed. So I'm going to tap on open and it will take us to the user interface of the application over here. So the user interface will look something like this, where you can see the option of restore. So tap on restore and here all you need to do is tap on restore deleted videos option. So tap on restore deleted videos and here you need to give the permission of storage to the application. So tap on sure and just give that access to the application over here by going to the app permissions and toggle on this option of files and media. Now just go back and tap on restore deleted videos and it will start searching for deleted files and it will start to recover your videos, deleted screen recorded videos from your Android phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.